Hello students, now we'll solve the fifth question of exercise 1.3 and here we have to find the product of these numbers using some properties. So the first one, I already told you how to take common. So by using common, we can solve this very easily. But if you didn't know that how to take common, then it will be the most difficult sum that you will face in this chapter, because you cannot multiply 48 with 26 and then 48 with 36. So minus 48 is here, minus 48 is here also. So we can write minus 48 as common outside. Inside the bracket there remains plus 26, then plus sign as it is, and then minus 36. So minus 48 as it is, 26 plus multiplied with minus is minus 36. Now plus and minus, first we subtract the terms. 36 minus 26 gives us 10, and the sign of the greater number is 36, and in front of it it's minus. So minus 48 multiplied with minus 10, minus minus gives us plus, and that will be 480. So you understood that taking common makes the question so simple that you can solve it in seconds. Now part B. In part B, it's 8 multiplied with 53 multiplied with 125. So one more thing that you should keep in mind, that if you multiply 8 with 53, then you get a term in 3 digits, and then you have to multiply it with 125, then again you multiply it and it will take lot of time. Now one more thing that I should tell you is that here 8 multiplied with 53 and minus 125 can be written as 125 multiplied with minus 1, because there is 1 minus in this whole term and here is also 1 minus in this whole term. We all know that minus 1 when multiplied with 125 will give us minus 125. So this can be written. Now whenever there is a term which will give us 0 at the end, we should multiply that. Now what I mean is that first of all you can write 125 in its prime factor form, like 8 multiplied with 53 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 5 and minus 1 as it is. Now 8 also can be written as 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2 and multiplied with 53, and then 5 can be written as 5 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 5 and minus 1. Remember, I told you that whenever these combination of pairs occur, like 2 to the power 2 multiplied with 5 to the power 2, these are the prime factors of 100 because the power is 2. 2 to the power 3 multiplied with 5 to the power 3, these are the prime factors of 1000. Similar for 2 to the power 4 multiplied with 5 to the power 4, these are the prime factors of 10,000. Now here also it is the same. 2 cube multiplied with 5 cube multiplied with 53 multiplied with minus 1. 2 cube multiplied with 5 cube, it will give us 1000. So 1000 multiplied with 53 multiplied with minus 1. So 53,000 it will be, and when 53,000 multiplied with minus 1, it will give us minus 53,000. And this is the required answer of part B. This is how you can solve these type of questions. Remaining part will solve in the next video. Thank you.